Hey, what's up you guys, my name is Silver Juice and I'm back with another video. I'm here with Andrea. It is 9 in the morning and I'm literally dead. And I'm using Andrea's phone because I left my phone at home because I thought it wasn't working, and then the FBI called and said that it's working now. Yes, so yay! Woo! And so yeah, we're about to go to the botanical gardens to go and volunteer. Hey you guys, this is a part 2. And, oh god. Part 2 of ASMR with Andrea again in the gardens. Is this relaxing enough yet? Hopefully this ASMR is giving you tingles. Tingles. Just fall asleep. Fall asleep.
That's not a good one.
Oh.
That's not a good sound. That was a little bit of a thing. ASMR darling has nothing on us.
Oh my god, I love ASMR darling. She's like a queen. Okay, last but not least, this one. Oh, chill out. Oh. We just finished volunteering. My back hurts, my knees hurt. Ooh, yes. Yeah, so now we're just walking to the Academy of Science, waiting for our dad. My dad, not our dad, we're not related.
Not a dad either.
Yeah, not just a random dad that's gonna pick us up. Look how cute everything is right now. No one's scootering. Yeah, are you gonna wait till the last one drops? Oh. Oh, look how nice everything looks. Like, wow.
This is so cute. Are we like on a romantic date right now?
Ooh, me and Andrea on our date. Ooh. Wow. That's me trying to catch you.
I know, and like you got me.
This is nice.
Wow. This reminds me of that ride at Great America.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and then you're like waiting in line here.
These look like truffles.
Yeah.
Shout out Jude Biscoff.
Yeah. Whoa, it's a bear. Ooh.
Like,
Ooh, who is he? Who is he friend? This one too. Honestly, would smash. If I was a duck.
Smash a brat, smash a brat.
Wow, me. Oh, is you posing for the camera? Okay. Oh my god. I'm back home. I just finished eating lunch. And I showered, and so now I need to start getting ready, even though I'm behind schedule because it takes me an hour and a half to get ready, or to at least do my makeup because I am extra and I take a long time. That's just how I am. And I'm gonna do like something reddish. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the same products I literally use all the time. So I'll be back when I finish doing my eyebrows because I haven't done them in so long, and I need to. It takes a time and a half to do my eyebrows. Oh my god, they look a little bolder than I kind of wish, but whatever, it's fine. At least they look like matching somewhat. Like they don't look, from afar they look so strong. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a bold look. Like, look at that. Now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with my Prep Up, my cheap palette that I always use that literally is terrible for my skin. Anyways, I'm gonna use this bright red as a transition color to start off with. Pack it on the outside and then blend it into my crease. You see what I'm doing? Like, alright. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna use this one from my Sephora Pro Warm Palette. I'm gonna use this one and this one mixed together. Same places, just building up the color. Okay, now I'm gonna switch on to this brush and then pack on this in the outer part so then it could deepen up that corner. Now I'm gonna go back in this one and use this one and these two, like mix these two. And I'm just gonna put this one in the inner part of my crease. And go in to this one and just blend out the outside. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same with the yellow. I want to use the red, like that'll look cute hopefully. And I'm just gonna put it in the inside, like where I left all this white spot. I'm just gonna put it there. I think I like it. I think that's the best it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. Oh my god, my eyeliner came out pretty darn good, especially on this side. This side, maybe it looks like I messed up a lot. Okay, first I'm gonna start with color correcting because I haven't done that in a while. I'm gonna use this one where I'm like super red because it's green, and then this one under my eyes because I heard it's really good for the underbags. So this is just some of my foundations. Lately I've been using this one. I think I might mix these two. Let's see how that comes out. Let's see. I think that's pretty close. Oh well. I have to go water this. I'll be back. Like that, I'm gonna powder my face. I'm gonna bake and I'm gonna put bronzer. So I did the baking and I did the blush and the contour and it doesn't look that bad. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. I'm gonna go more subtle because lately I've been doing too much of highlighter and I think I just want to go with a subtle look. So I'm just gonna go in obviously with the same one that I usually do. See, just a little subtle, right? Just a little subtle, you can't even tell. I don't want to make it too dark in the bottom. So let's just go with these three colors, right? Alright, so now mascara. These mascaras are literally the oldest things in the world and I barely have any left, so alright, so this is the final look. Looks okay. Now we're gonna spritz it with this Urban Decay makeup setting spray. Okay. So this is my final look. Okay, so here's my look and wearing these hoops and then this dress, this look. So this is the final look. Look at that. These are the ones Alana gave me for my birthday. Don't they look cute? Thanks, Alana. And then this bag from Forever 21. This scarf from my mom. So now we're about to go. And I'm about to cry because I'm scared that I'm just gonna be alone like the last time I went to my sister's friend's quince. But this time I'm gonna actually try to, you know, venture and talk to people instead of sitting on my chair and literally crying. Alright, hey y'all, me and Emily just got to the place and there's literally no seating. So we had to sit with these strangers. Because we came a little late because I kind of took a long time to get ready. It's a really nice place, it's just very small. Hey y'all, okay, so we're sitting over here in the back because there was no more seats and they kicked us out from our old seats, right Emily? Now we gotta eat with our hands because I'm too afraid to eat. I'm too go steal a fork from other people. My queen! It's still shut down, fun, so we're just waiting till it starts. Y'all, another update, I was left with everyone's stuff. Everyone left me with their stuff, so guess I'm not moving anytime soon, but they're all, if you can see, they're all dancing over there. So I'm having the time of my life, you know, I'm just living up my life right now. I feel like it's time to go to church and pray. Right, hey y'all, the party just ended quickly.
Special
because,
guest today.
Oh yeah, that's Catherine, by the way, Emily's friend.
I watched her videos.
Thank you. The popo is over there.
Put them in.
No, I don't want to.
No, just go really quick.
I need their consent.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Look. Ta-da!
No, see. Okay. Well, yeah, because they're
right
see.
there.
So yeah, that's the deeds. Thank Jesus I'm back home. Oh my God, that was actually bad. That was like horrible. So story time. There was a fight. Apparently, I didn't know about it. There was like fights and people were trying to break into the place, and it was like over capacity. Like there's like a limit, and they went beyond the limit because the girl's quince, she invited way too much people, and there was even people from our school that went. I was like, what? But yeah, so there was like fights. There was so much drama that I felt so bad for the girl. Like, her day was ruined because of stupid people and stupid drama. Like, I was like, so yeah, the party ended early. And now I'm back. So thank you guys for watching this video. Go like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.